What's the meaning of birth rate? Birth rate. Birth rate.
Birth rate. Birth rate. Birth rate refers to the measure of the number of live births per 1,000 people in a population over a given period of time. It is a crucial demographic and social indicator used by governments to understand population growth, distribution, and age structure. A high birth rate can indicate a young population and potential for future growth, but it can also lead to strain on resources and services. A low birth rate can indicate an aging population and potential economic challenges, but it can also indicate greater access to education, healthcare, and family planning. Overall, birth rate is an important metric for understanding and shaping social, economic, and political development.